guys? Learning with Rich here again. In this video, we are going to learn how to add tags to our sprinkler design. So just a recap, on our previous video, we have learned how to add some equipments, and then we also learned how to add some fittings, accessories like valves in our project. So this time around, we are going to add some tags to our pipes. Specifically, we are going to add pipe sizes to our pipes, okay, by using the tag tool. Okay, so to start with, I'm going to select the annotate tab, and then from the tag panel, you can see here the tag by category. So this is our guide. So this is the one that we are going to use, tag by category. So the shortcut is TG, or instead of going to the annotate tab, you can simply just go to your quick access toolbar to use the tag by category. So it's already added by default to your quick access toolbar. So remember, this is called quick access toolbar. So our tag by category tool is already there. So you can just simply click that one. So when you click that tool, you can see here the options for the tag by category. So the first one here is the placement of your tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover my pointer to one of the tag, like for example this one, and take note our tag by category tool is intelligent. If you're going to hover your pointer to the link model, okay, it will show you what is that particular object. It will show you the tag that is loaded for that particular element, okay? So in our case, if I'm going to hover my pointer to the pipe, you can see that it will going to put the pipe size here. Okay, so the settings here is horizontal. If I'm going to change this to vertical, it will looks like, okay, so for this one, for the pipe, it will just follow the direction of the pipe. But if we are going to hover our pointer, let's say to our door, this one, so that's horizontal. So for the vertical, it will looks like this, okay? But for the pipe, so the setting here is it will just follow the direction of the pipe, whether it be vertical or horizontal. But this option matters to other types of elements in Revit. Okay, so that's the placement of your tag. So I'm just going to use horizontal here. And then you also have here loaded tags. If you're going to click that, you can see here all the loaded tags in your project. Like for example, in our case, if I'm going to hover my pointer here, I can see here that the loaded tag for pipes and pipe placeholders is pipe size tags. Okay, so that's why if you are going to put your tag or click your pipe, it will show us the pipe size tag. But if you want to add another type of family for the pipes, another type of tag for the pipes or pipe placeholders, you can always go to the load family here. Let's check this out. So I'm going to select that. And then you need to go to annotation, sorry, this one, annotation, and then you go to the fire protection. Oh no, it's pipe, sorry. And then after that, you can see here the different types of tags, okay, including the ones that is loaded, which is pipe size tag. So if I'm going to, let's say I'm going to select pipe fitting size, I'm going to load this. I'm going to load this M invert elevation pipe tag, and I'm going to load as well the pipe system abbreviation tags. I'm going to click this tree, open to load it. So as you can see, if I'm going to go back again to the pipe and pipe placeholder, if I click the drop down arrow, you can see that we now have here several pipe tags loaded. Okay, so the ones that we have by default here is pipe size tag. So this is how it looks like. So it will show us the size of the pipe. So if I'm going to change that, let's say, for example, I want to check out the invert elevation. So I'm going to select M invert elevation. For that, I'll just select here OK, and then I'm going to click. So as you can see here, it will shows me the elevation of the pipe, the invert elevation. Okay, so that's how you play your loaded tags option here. But I'm just going to use here pipe size tag, and then I select here OK. Now, another option that you have here is if you want to have a leader line. So that's the default setting. The leader is checked. So that's why you see there's a leader line there. Okay, right? So there's a leader line that appears. Okay, but I do not want to have a leader line. That's why I just want this one. Okay, but if you check the leader line here, you can also specify which type of leader that you can use. It's either attach end or free end. Okay, free end, you can freely move, or attach end, oops, sorry, attach end just like that. And then you can also specify here the length of your leader line. But I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to use leader here, uncheck the leader here. And then let us now start tagging our models. Okay, so I'm just going to pick somewhere here. Yep. Okay, and then I'm going to pick one here. Oops, probably I'll just put one here. Okay, so tagging is very important because it is the one that will tell us, or it will give us clarity so that we will know what type or what is the size of the pipe in our project. So I'm going to pick one here again, here one again, and then I'm going to pick one here, and this one let's put there. Okay, so I'm going to put one here as well. Okay, I think that's all. So, okay, somewhere here. There you go. Alright, so we can still click that, and then we can use the arrow symbol or the arrow on the keyboard so that we can nudge the location of our um, pipe tags. So, okay. And I'm going to click also the pipe here so that it will not too close to our wall. Okay. And then you see our room tag here, or our space tag is too close. So I'm going to drag that so that our model here is tidy up. So you always do that. There you go. Okay, oh, so for this one, I'm going to drag that somewhere here. And then I'm just going to put an cap there. Okay. All right. So there you have it. So basically, that's how you add your pipe tags to your project. So hopefully you learned something from this video, guys. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.